Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the exact Skull Crusher EVO model and firmware, because connectors differ. Once confirmed, collect the right cable and tools. Put on an anti-static strap and power off the unit. This prevents shorts. Remove the battery or isolate main power, and make sure the target port is clean. Use compressed air if needed. Now align the connector visually before touching it, because orientation matters and saves you from damaging pins or the board. You proceed by inspecting the connector and mating port for bent pins or debris, since contact reliability depends on clean surfaces. Once done, orient the keyed tab to the port and insert gently, don't force. A tactile click or defined stop indicates correct seating. After seating, fasten any retaining screws, clamps, or strain relief clips to prevent stress on the connector, and route the cable away from sharp edges or moving parts so it stays secure during use. You finish by reconnecting power and powering the Skull Crusher EVO on. Watch LEDs and boot messages to confirm communication. Next, run a quick functional test. Send input, monitor output, and check firmware recognition to ensure the link is stable. If things go wrong, first power down and reseat the connector, then swap to a known good cable. If still failing, inspect solder joints and connector housing for damage. One key troubleshooting tip: try an alternate cable before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.